Hello, my dear friend. Today we will talk about how we can integrate Gtranslate plugin with our WordPress website. So after that, the user can easily change the language in your website like that. For an example, yes. But the design you can change. There are a lot of design, 11 designs. Let's talk about that. How you can integrate that. So we need to go back our WordPress dashboard and then we will add new plugin. Search the plugin Gtranslate and install and active. We need to wait little bit time. That's great. Now we will go to the setting page. You will go to the setting page also from here, settings and the translate. So there is option, there is a widget look option, 11 options. This is the preview you will see. So this is the pop-up option, like if you see the pop-up will come. This is the drop down option. It also looks very good. This is another good looking options, flags and drop down. Basically, no one use this both, and flags with language name. It's also fine. You can use if you have two, three languages. Even you can use a lot of language in the footer. Flag with language code. Basically, it's used in the footer most of the time, but two, three languages in the header. Language name. You can use language codes. You can use language codes or as well globe. If you click, the flag will be pop up. So this is the best, but basically people use I think basically people use according to their requirements, right? So right now I will use this because you can customize this preview like from here. Like if you want to change the background color, look, the background color also you can change the text color, the arrow color. This is the arrow. Also if you click, this is the option, and you can change others option as well. You can explore and you will understand in the preview. But this is the however is white because this, if you change it yellow, then look yellow. I think it's come from the drop down background color. uh, this you can change this color. This is the hover color, background hover color. We can, I use this for just showing you how you can modify the color. So after that, if your main language is English, then you have to use this English, and auto switch to browser language. Check it, then it will the user's browser, it will detect user browser language and automatically change the language of your website. Native language names, that means this time is native language. Like for an example, this is French, right? So, and if I check it, look at this is French language, right? Show in menu, there are some options you can use in 5 minute menu, footer menu. I mean, if you add in the menu, then it will show in the menu bar. Just like this is the in the header area, I mean 5 minute menu. Also show floating language selector. Like for an example, if I choose this floating, and show floating language selector, if I use it bottom left, then if you see, for wait a minute, I need to save changes and refresh. Look, this is the option. Look, that's really cool, right? So after that, there is another options, open direction. Like this is the animation. Like if this time it's animated from the top, bottom maybe, yeah. And you can make it from left, and if you refresh, look, this come from the left. Absolutely amazing. And also you can make it 3D, 2D. I recommend 3D, and you can choose the language. So what you basically want to add in your website, and targeted language. So there are more than 100 language, I think 110 plus language. So after the user change, you can use custom css here. I recommend you don't need to add any custom css because most of the design here. I saw most of the website used this were designs. So that's why the developer used this type of design. And I personally think you don't need to customize, but if you need to customize, then you can customize from here. Even you can customize from here, like for an example, if I click here, and there is inspect, so you can get current land. You can take the class and IDs from the Google Translate from inspect, and you will get the IDs and class. You can try here, and after that you can add this in the in customize theme customization options. You will get it here. I personally did that before, because this Translate plugin 2 years ago not looks amazing. Right now it's totally fine. So you can add the custom CSS here. Now I don't have any issues in this plugin. Even I use this plugin in my clients websites, so there is no issues, and everything going absolutely right way. So I think you understand, and I hope you like it. Have a nice day.